Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mass update records in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So there are many ways on how to do it. Either you can do it with list views, mass transfer records tools, or with some data import wizard, or also the data loader. So in this video, we are going to do it with uh, the data import wizard. So basically we need to go to setup. After that, you will need just to go to import data, or in here we can find the data import wizard. We need to click on it, and after that, we need to start launch the wizard. So I'm just going to launch it, and from here you will need to choose the objects in question. So if you have some custom objects, you can do it, or you can just use the standard object. So for example, we want to update the records on leads, and as you can see here, we can find update existing record. So now you can match your record either by the ID or name or email. So let's just go by ID. Now I'm going to assign all leads using this assignment rule. If you had any other assignment rule, so you can go for standard or none. And you can also choose from the other part. Now you will need to add a CSV file of the updates that you want to apply on these records. So basically you need to add your CSV, you choose your file location, and if there is some kind of special encoding, you can choose it from here. So you can find all the encodings forms, and you can also see if it is separated by tabs or comma, depends on your file. Then you will need just to go next and you will be able to start importing. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.